same day, November 8th, 2021. Yep. And here's the sirens. They don't have anything original to do, you know? And that's another beep. Normal people only hit the button once, not 5 times or 3 times or 2 times. It's locked. When you hit the beep, it's locked. They love doing that shit. Anyways. They was slow today. I'm a little tired. I had a weird ass dream last night. I have a weird dream every night because they keep freaking putting scenarios in my head while I sleep. Another thing they can only do right now, because when I went to Dunkin', there was no gang smokers waiting for me. There probably was some in the neighborhood. It was the corner across the street from me. A red car was there, already parked where I could see it. And then they had people that come around, sweep the sidewalks and everything, and he was wearing all red from head to toe. Even when I was sitting in the front, there was like a million cars coming. Some of them looked over. Almost half of them looked over. One guy had his cell phone out. No hands on the wheel at all, so I don't know what he was doing. There was an older woman, she had one headlight on. And then a kid came around, he was wearing all red too. And he had black slippers. So red hoodie, red shorts, red socks, and black shoes. I think his phone was red too, like, bruh. I don't know if he was a perp because he didn't look over. When he did that, usually they look over. And he didn't, so I don't think he was a perp. It was just like, weird that he was wearing all red. Oh gosh. And some of the perps moved out of the neighborhood already. Directly across the street from me, there was 2 families that was living there. They moved out in January of this year. And there's no for sale sign on the house at all. But the landlord passed away. And he was all the way in Florida, so he wasn't going to check on the house. So I don't know if anybody's going to buy the house. Or rent it out or something. I don't know. But they actually had a lot of stuff in the basement. There was a truck, on the street, like a junk. They take away your junk. I was there for like 2 days and it was full. So the guy that owned the house, he would probably used to live in that house for years and years and years. And that one day I was like, look, we moved to Florida. And then he rented it out. So the woman that was living there, she had a boyfriend on the side. She was married. Her husband was a drug dealer. He went to jail. And she had more than one boyfriend on the side. I remember I used to just like cringe when I would come in the house because they would be standing on the porch just waiting for for people to pass by so they could buy drugs off of them. And they would just like stare at me. There was like four or five of them in there. I'm like, yay. Especially wintertime, you don't want to see that shit. Yeah, worried about them staring at you while you're going out, yeah. Oh. We had to help him out of jail. He found out those people were there. He wasn't too happy. So one day somebody threw an empty can of soda at her car. And I didn't feel bad because of all that shit I heard about. honestly, I don't know if it was true, but you could tell that they were drug dealers. Because why would you be outside there all day at night? They were like trying to protect her. No, they were drug dealers. That's why the cops come down the block too. There's drug dealers down here. They're looking for coke. Oops, I told on them. I guess I'll get gang stalked again. Oh, phooey. I'm fucking tired. They gotta stop keeping me awake. I'm gonna kick their ass. I ate 1,000 pounds of coffee. A gallon of coffee. Change the scenery, you know. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Wednesday. They could wait for me all they want. Who cares? They know they're not gonna do anything because I got cameras, and they can't because they know they're gonna get arrested if they do stuff. Should have called the police though when the guy came to my garage to piss on it. Definitely should have called the cops on him. I don't know what happened while we weren't home. That's the problem. It should happen when we weren't at home. Excuse me. I'm so fucking tired. Yeah, you hear that shit too? Well, that bicyclist that came by my house at night, I think it was the same kid I saw earlier in the day. I saw a kid wearing blue pants, blue jacket, a red hoodie, and red sneakers, and he had like, I guess it was his phone out with the speaker on and the music playing. You know, people just ride their bikes or whatever. I don't know. I had a weird feeling about him. So I think it was that guy, that kid. Because he came by once while I was sitting outside. At nighttime he was there at least 3 4 times, I think it was. So I only put up the video once. You know, one of the videos, because there was too many. I had to think of different ways to get me, you know. They bore me. Bore me. So the first helicopter, I was watching a video about Christ. And it's trying to make me deaf so I wouldn't hear that word. Like I heard it anyway. I watched it, the whole thing went out. You know, I mean, the video was loud, so I was able to hear it. Stephen Darby Ministries. Yeah, I don't really like when you talk truth. And I don't really care. Because I like hearing the truth. Whatever. I feel drunk right now. That's how tired I am. I'm so tired right now. I gotta fight it. I hope that noise annoys my gang stalkers. I gotta find other noises I can annoy the gang stalkers with. Besides the coffee noise. Toasted white chocolate. Whew. So I was falling asleep a little bit because they, you know how it is. They drain us. They can make us sleep deprived, and we get tired during the day. So I was like, I have to get outside, at least over here. There's no places to go really in the neighborhood. You want me missing out on something? I don't know what. You know, I noticed years ago when I would go to a doctor appointment, I would notice people doing weird shit. So I haven't seen that in a long time, maybe because I'm just not noticing it. I'm glad I don't notice it as much, but I noticed other people's videos about it. And they videoed the people just, staring at them, looking for the attention that they, you know what I mean? They are attention seekers, so that would make sense. Whatever. Oh, I read in the paper they're gonna try to make the train station less loud. And it's on the line that I'm at right now. My train line. I'm like, good luck with that. Because either they scraping against the metal, or they're hung on the horn like a lunatic. I wonder why they would do that at my stop. I don't think they do that at any other stop of mine. Maybe the guy used to be... It's gotta be somebody I used to know, right? Man, I saw this lady that looked like my old friend Donna. I was like, oh God, I hope that's not her. Oh, she looked like her from the back. It wasn't her. So please don't need any more people coming back into my life. They need to all go. I already saw Aaron. That was enough. I really don't understand how she remembers where I live. I haven't seen her in 15 years. Does she have my address in a notebook still, like John used to do? Probably, right? Like, we haven't talked for 15 years. And she was like, I can't believe you said hello to her. Her boyfriend doesn't seem to understand. That makes no sense. Like, why wouldn't you ask her, why do you want me to say hello to that person for? You know, like, he didn't feel guilty. He did it, he just did it. She picks all the simps. Well, a real man would have asked her who that person is. Why do you want me to go talk to them? You know what I mean? Like, what she's doing is way ridiculous. I don't know how it was funny either. She was laughing. I don't think it was funny. But whatever. That might just be me. It was stupid because not like I got mad or anything, you know. I didn't react like that at all. I just happened to say hello back. Yeah, what can I do? Somebody says hello to you, say hello back. Those are funky fruit. I have no idea what they are. I'm surprised they didn't get rid of the fig tree. This is a fig tree. I don't know what's on this tree. They got like some sort of fruit. The little squirrels eat them. So the Smokey Robinson lives over there, that area. He never used to bang the door like that before. You know, during the pandemic he did it. I said he didn't go out often, so. But he never did that before. He was always home. He just did it last year. Yeah, last year. Sorry. I'm like all over the place and tired. Yeah, not so much else, which is good. I like it like this. It's like, let's say it's like this for a while, you know. I gotta show you that picture. I saw a witch in my dream once, and she was dressed like the Day of the Dead. I didn't know what it was. I just saw her dressed like that, you know, and she had an altar and everything. And her house looked like it was in California. And I walked in, busted the door open in the dream. I was like, "What you doing?" I went in there and I rebuked it. I've never done that before. So maybe it was this chick, I don't know. But she doesn't, how did she know about me too, you know? So I'm gonna show you that video. I'll make a video about the Day of the Dead chick that I saw, because it was like, it just passed. And even though it's like another culture, it's kind of like, it's kind of satanic. It's like Halloween. Because they do something around the 4th or the 5th, something like that. I don't know, around this time. So, hear the birds. I heard a cardinal today, but it was across the street somewhere. But there was a blue jay across the street last week. That was cool. I haven't seen a blue jay in years in my neighborhood. And so later, or tomorrow or something, whenever I get around to it, I'll show you the picture of the witch. Oh, I hope the neighbors stay away for a long time. It's nice and peaceful back here. Ciao.